Hello, and we are live, I believe. Okay. So, yes. Welcome to the live stream. The last few days, weeks, I've been live streaming every day, building our platform Project Planner AI, as well as, looking into different tech topics that, for the first time, like using Karamase, the Next.js CLI. And today, as you can see by the title, we are going, hello, thanks for joining. Today we are going to continue building Project Planner AI. Was working yesterday. We work on it every day, but was doing a lot of U-Haul in terms of the modal pop-ups, just refactoring something. So let me go ahead and share my screen. Cool. All right. Yes, there are a couple things that we are working on. This is in production. Let's pull up the code. And let me get the vibes going as well. Okay. So, okay, there are a couple things that I needed to work on today. That being, let me see. Let me get Eraser up. I was doing well with my consistency on using this, but sort of dropped the ball. Okay. Let me see. I want to get rid of this pop-up. Uh-oh. Oh, wait, there we go. Hello. Okay. So... let me see. That's what we were doing. That was like 5 days ago. Dang. Okay. Let me make a new divider. Today, I need to... Right now, we have these sheets, so I updated them, so we have these pop-out sheets rather than the modals that we had before. But however, these sheets don't work with right now they're acting weird on mobile, so that's one thing that I needed to fix. So fix shad cn sheets to work in mobile. Another thing, Cody has been working on adding events to Project Planner AI, so we could see, rather than have a third party like PostHog or Beam or Plausible or Google Analytics, we have our analytics right within our platform, and you could see how to integrate that into your project using the integration guide. It's pretty cool. I think this would be like a pretty cool feature because, like I said, it saves you time from jumping around and you don't have to pay extra for another platform. Give me 1 second, actually. Okay. Yes. So. And I could show you, maybe if you're interested, I could walk you through how to add this to your own Next.js project. Or maybe, he actually did a video on it actually, maybe I could share that. But yeah, we are trying to keep track of like how often people are using our platform, and you can do the same with yours. But we wanted to improve on the UI. We could see yesterday, let's see. This is for yesterday. I don't think any of them have been updated today. We could test that out if I update. Let's see, test. I created a new work item, so if we go into here, then that should be updated in the user added work item. That was today. That was okay. Yeah, we need to update this. It only shows it for 1 day. Okay. So update events tab UI to show more than 1 day. Or actually, let's see, look into how to improve the UI. Let's see. I think also what was added, we added some more tooltips. So if you hover over certain things that might not be as intuitive, like this, oh, this is links and this is files. And then we added this so we could preview our file. But as you saw there's some issues with the UI. So let me see, let me fix resources, files, UI, files card. Okay. Beautiful sidebar. I love the gray tone. Is it custom crafted or some library? No, that was custom, or we used what's it called? I got some help from what's it called? ChatGPT. It's just I can show you what that looks like. Let me shrink this. Let me close this. What it looks like is, where is it? Our side nav, which is within our main. Oh, it's within our, no, wait, which one was it? Right here, yeah, projects, plan, right here. Layout. Our side nav, right, that's where? That is components, right? Components, side nav. Okay. Yeah, this is what it looks like. We are storing. We need to store it in local storage if it's expanded or not. So then if we like close it and we refresh it, it's still closed, right? Because if we use a use effect, then it will, it will open up. So we don't want that. So one way we did was using the local storage, and then also, yes, we are checking if it's expanded. If it is, then we make the width a certain width, and then if it's not, then we make it another width. And we are using just basic Tailwind CSS to have that effect, and then change the icon or rotate it if it's expanded. Oh yeah, switch it left or right. So yeah, that's how we created it. Inspired by a couple platforms like Convex, they do something similar. So with Convex, if you go within here, then you could like close it and open it. So that was the inspiration for it. Okay, so we are here. We are trying to, oh yeah, so we have to check it if it works in mobile. Let's see. What did I touch? Okay. Oh yeah, this card changes, whatever. I got this. Oh no, all this stuff is popping up right now. Okay. Remind me later. Hello, thanks for joining from Twitch. Awesome. Glad to see you there. Okay, so if I want to test this in mobile, there are a couple places that we need to check. I think if I do it for one, it will make sense. So for here, it's fine. We could scroll down. There is a lot of space right there, but that's fine. And press create. However, in my phone, it does not work. And not only that, I don't want it to open up like this. I want it to open up from the bottom. So let's try it for, okay, we have the work item open. So before we had a modal that came up, or a drawer that came from the bottom. We can do the same thing with the sheet. There's a way that you could make it come from the bottom, but the only issue is, let me close this. Let me make this smaller. Where is the sheet? Right, so I have to go inside the create sheet. So within here, right here, so content, you could do side bottom, and then it'll come up from the bottom like that, but then that happens and I don't know how to fix that. And then also I want to do it, let's see, we want to do import use media query. Shoot, I spelled import. Use media query. Hey, what am I building today? Thanks, Priya, for joining. We are still working on Project Planner AI. It's a platform to help you manage all your projects and see like the status of them. You can see I have a lot of projects that I haven't touched in a while. Oh, cool. It did finish this time. Awesome. Okay. But yeah, just you can see these are my pin projects, the ones that I've most recently worked on. Or want to work on. And then yeah, we are currently working on this one and just improving the platform overall. We've been making a lot of changes and updates, and I think in the process you sort of find bugs, so just doing some bug fixes for this platform that we're trying to build, me and web dev Cody. Specifically working on fixing Shatsian sheets to work on mobile. So right now it's coming up from the bottom. I don't know if this is, let's see. Okay. I think it makes sense though for it to come up from the side, because you want less space from your mouse to the form. So we want to do constant is mobile equal to use media query. Then we're gonna do constant side value is equal to, right, and then what's the issue here? Oh no, there is no issue. So then if we go like this, nice, that's good. Okay, so you could see if I'm in here, it comes out from the right, but as soon as I shrink it, it comes from it moves it to the bottom. But now the issue is this. So sheet from the bottom, it's filling up the whole thing. Is that because I'm like zoomed? Interesting. Or is it because overview is hidden? I'm not sure. Okay, so I'm at 100 right now. When I open it, it's going too much up. How do I fix that? So this is fine, but it's just this. And then if I look at this on my phone, which you're able to, as long as your server is running, let's see. is this giving me an issue? If I go to dashboard, if I go to okay. Yeah, that's not good. Okay. What is causing this? Yes. Hey, thanks for joining. Jikamso. Okay, let's see. We are trying to do Shatsian sheet bottom weird. I don't know what to say. Okay. Overflow. When using the dialog with the content larger than the screen height, the dialog gets cut off. Right. Index to have inline of 5,000. Is this a Redux issue? This is specifically pertaining to dialogue, but the issue that I'm trying to solve right now is we switched all of the creates to sheets, so we have more real estate or area to work with, and then instead of, we thought the modal wasn't maybe that nice of a UX user experience, but now I'm trying to make it, but the only issue right now is with the sheet, it acts weird in mobile, so I'm just trying to fix that. How do you check it on your phone through the HTTP network? I forgot how to do this. You guys looking so nice. Thank you, appreciate it. Yeah, so Ray created a blog post about it if you want to check it out. Why falling in love with coding wasn't enough to make my app a success. Ooh, I gotta read some of these new ones. He wrote this one. This is specifically for, kind of looks like Notion. Hopefully a simpler version of Notion. Okay, so I just shared a link. Ray wrote this about how to use do mobile testing without using ngrok. This is specifically for Mac. But yeah, you just need to connect to your network or get your network IP address, or with Apple, you could get the local host name, and then you do, a local, or like, what's it called? :3000. And then it should show up on your phone. So right now it's like, cool, awesome. So yeah, right now it looks like this. I don't know if you can see it. It looks like that. So a lot of it is getting cut off. So gotta fix that. Okay. Let's see. What do I do? Let's see, what did they say? So it might be an overflow issue then. If we go to, let me close this. Sheet components. Is it possible sheet at the bottom on mobile? But yeah, I usually use a hook. Yep. When was this? Oh, this was last year. How? So someone wanted to know how do you switch. So right now I have a hook called use media query, where you could see like what's the size of your screen. So it's gonna take, has to be toughest part being a front-end developer. You can try using Tailwind to fix it. Might not be from ChatCN, so it's a responsiveness issue. Yeah, that's a good point. Maybe. Sometimes it is, maybe we're not using it correctly, or let me see if I get rid of this. I think it's an overflow issue, because then, yeah, so right now it shows this sheet. There's no like max limit this sheet can go, so it passes the point. But with the drawer, which I think is very similar to a sheet. Like, what's the difference between a Shatsian so there's a drawer, right? There's a drawer versus a sheet. With the drawer, like, it stops at a certain point, but I feel like a sheet is very similar. The bottom one, they're very similar, but I feel like, let's see, what is the difference? Let's take a look at the code. We got the code, so we got the drawer and we got the sheet, and let's put them side by side. So, okay, the drawer, let's see if the drawer has a, so that's the overlay. We don't really care about the overlay. It's more so the fixed. You try, yeah, let me see. If anybody has come across this issue, it would be very helpful. Let's see. Yeah, well, I want to know what's causing the drawer, because the drawer, it stops at a certain sticky top 0. Maybe that's it. No. Honestly, maybe that's it. Sheet variants. So this one is fixed. Drawer primitive. Rounded top. Max height. I think this is it. I think that might be it. Do they have a max height? I don't think sheet has a max height. So let's put that in there and let's see what happens. So now if I open, okay, so I'm gonna go back. Let's go here. Let's uncomment this. Now on my phone, there we go. Okay, so that solves that. Give me 1 second. Let me. I'll show you what it looks like. Let me decrease this. So it's a max height. But oh, I didn't check if it's affected in here. Let's see. Yeah, it's not affected here, but it is affected here. So only go something like that. Okay, but you can't really see it here though. Do you use a BI tool like Metabase? Any BI tool? What is a BI tool? BI tool? Business intelligence. Oh, okay. You're talking about, oh, what's it called? What's that one thing that everybody uses? Tableau? I haven't used anything like, I've heard of it. I've worked at companies where the PM would use it. But I personally haven't used it. But oh, you said Metabase is one of the ones. Metabase versus Tableau. Business intelligence. Fast analytics with friendly UX and integrated tooling to let your company explore data on their own. Interesting. That's a okay, so we're trying to implement some sort of analytics to our platform. And I think having something more of a BI rather than just a basic, because would you consider Google Analytics a BI, or can you use it as a BI, or BI is more something, a business intelligence is something more specific for business. Well, that makes sense. We have all this data, but we're not using it. We're not like, I think we can make better visual use of it, definitely. Because we have a finances table, a finances tab, but we're showing it in like a table and this. We could probably do more with it. We wanted to also include a reports tab so you could build reports, I guess, similar to what BI software does. But to answer your question, no, you just gave me an idea. So I was just going off of it. Okay. So why? Have you used BI software before? Okay. So I added this to the sheets. What if I did 100%? I would like it to cover. There we go. Okay. Then we go down, add it up. Okay, I like this. Now the issue is it's not letting me scroll down to, I think it's, let me see. I think it might be a, what is this? Has to be overview. It's hard to debug because it looks one way on desktop. So when I do, oh, what is this? Oh, I'm working on this one. There we go. Okay. So it works like this on desktop, right? It's good enough. Oh, it seems like there is no padding at the bottom, so we wouldn't be able to. Maybe that's the issue. Maybe we need to add a padding or something? Because on here, I can't see the bottom. Oh yeah, that's what I was trying to do. Okay, let me give me a second. Let me see. Raise article. I think it was this one. Where was it? Oh, settings. Settings, general. Oh, he said do this. Gotcha. Alright. Okay, let me try that. Just testing it on my mobile. Okay, let me see. Okay. 3 errors. Interesting. Right, but I thought I fixed that. Oh, apparently I didn't fix that. It's not showing me that error here, but it's showing here. Maybe it's because, what's the issue? Oh wait, now it's showing up. A button within a button, right. Okay. And that is happening. I think it's because of, I'm currently tracking the latest sales active users in a custom admin dashboard, but I've heard about Metabase. You can self-host it and build dashboards using SQL I'm considering giving it a try. Interesting. I mean, yeah, it doesn't hurt, right? Trying it out, seeing if it works. You're saying you want to use that one because it gives you more options, or it's easier. You just need to use SQL. Pricing. So self-starter. But if you want to self-host, oh, I gotcha. Unlimited charts, unlimited dashboards. Nice. User-friendly BI suite in a box. But then how do you connect your data to it? Do you just give it your data? I don't understand. Or it's just a... Self-service analytics. Help everyone make decisions with data. Interesting. Okay. The platform looks cool. I haven't used it before, but let me know what your experience is like. Right, okay, so I'm inside here. Let's see. I think the issue might be with this. I was working on this. Let's see if I get rid of it, if it goes away. Trigger, I see. Yeah. I think that might be my issue. I thought I fixed all them. Man. Okay. Did I not? What? Okay, so now that error should be away. For some reason, it didn't work for me. It didn't show my project on my phone, or does it only work for iPhone users? What did you type in, what is it showing on your screen? Maybe you didn't type the URL correctly. Alright, let me see if this error is happening anywhere else. Not here, not here. Okay. So I think it was just there. Where else am I using this? Outside. On the outside. On the outside. Yep. Okay. I think it was just in that area. Weird. Okay. Okay, we got that. Let's go back here. We were here. This site can't be reached. That's what's showing on my screen. Right. Are you doing something like is this what you're... Oh shoot. I forgot a 0. What is it on the right port? Is your program running? Are you on the right, and are you on the same network that your computer is on? Yeah, I think you have to be on the same Wi-Fi network. That would be a couple things to first check. Yeah, you are. Weird. Weird. Huh. And you said your program is running too? Like it's on? It's the computer host name. I'll use right. Or whatever in the documentation, whatever it said here, that's what you would use. Whatever your local host name is, yeah. Whatever this is, you do that, and then you put the 3000 at the end. Interesting. Yeah, weird. It works for me. I'm not sure why. You could also get the network IP address and then just do local host. No, get the network IP address and then just do a :3000. You could try that too. Like something like, I don't know what your network IP address is, but something like that. This is an example. You could do something like that. I was doing this before. Let me double check. Yeah, that's what I was doing, and it worked. Okay. Okay, so we were here. Let's do that. We got the sheet to show up correctly, but now the bottom, you can't see it. That has to also be lifted because of the... Yeah, it looks like I can't scroll down. And the scrolling is a little bit annoying. Interesting. Maybe... Yeah, this is what it looks like right now. On my phone, like that. But that bottom part, why is that? Let me see if I change. I'm sure if I added like a padding or something, it should work. But I don't think that's what we want to do. Let's see. Okay, so this form sheet style, right? So I have that inside here. So it's overflow Y auto padding margin. Oh wait, so there is a thing. Max H screen. Let me get rid of that. Does that do anything? Alright, so yeah, we want that because it doesn't work either way. The padding bottom, maybe it's this, but we want that too though. Weird. Okay, so that's not it. Let me try something like 60. Yeah, so bigger padding fixes it. So maybe I'll do a 24 for now in MD, and then in general padding bottom in the screen should be like 48 or something. Alright, that works. It works for now. So then if okay, so I should do that for the rest of them. Okay, so okay, so we did that for that. Oh, what I have to do for the rest of them is do that media query thing. But I don't need to do it for the rest of them, do I? I did it for this. Oh yeah, I do, because that's where I'm passing it. This is where I'm passing that. Okay. I could do this though. Okay, it doesn't have to be here. I can actually do this where the sheet is. So let me take this Let me do this. I'm learning. I don't want to do the same thing to everywhere. So wherever there's a sheet, which is in here, we can look at the, okay, let's import media, use media query. And then we want to do this. And this is going to be here. Side. Here we go. Okay. I want this to be based off of a media query thing. Okay, its default is right. Right. Huh. Can I do this? Return. Okay. Let's restart it. Let's see if that does anything. I don't know if this affects. You'd like to show? No, don't show again. Shoot. Okay. Where did that go? Oh no. Okay. Okay. There we go. Okay. Yeah, then we want to do the same thing here. And then just do this here. Wait, what's the issue? Type does not exist on type intrinsic type. Where would this go then? Because we have that here. Have this. Would I just not include it as a prop? But we want to include it as... Oh, I gotcha. Okay, okay. So I just need to put this here. Remove that. No. Only specified does not exist in type. Literals may only specify known properties and okay, so maybe I just need to do this sheet variance. So it's either that or that. Why isn't this working? Object literal may only specify known properties and side value does not exist in type config side. So maybe as string, yeah, that's a good point. Maybe. No, I don't think it's that. I think it's maybe as maybe. Maybe this? No. Oh, maybe I need to do that here. No. Okay, so let's try ChatGPT because have this. No. Use bottom if mobile, otherwise use whatever. Okay. Yeah. I guess let's try that. Okay. Maybe that's what the issue is. Okay, it did something. Thanks, ChatGPT. Okay. So let's go back. Let's close this. Let's try it now. Yeah, honestly, it is. Good catch, Marin. Yeah, okay, so we'll try that. And now if I open it, it opens it up. But we don't want this overflow. Okay. Maybe it's the padding bottom. Where's the padding bottom? Is it in this one or? Oh, it was in my globals, I think, right? Yep, okay, let's try, let's try this. No. If I get rid of this, what happens? That goes away, right. You can remove the resize option in the text area to prevent resizing that might break the UI of your app later on. I think at the moment, I think that's fine. It does the overflow thing, and right now this is the max. It seems like it's responsive, if that's what you were talking about. I think right now the issue is I want a padding bottom. Or I need a padding bottom when the screen goes past. When there is a thing, let me see. So this is fine. It's this. I have a padding bottom 24. But we need it to be a little bit more. If I do 48, then it would be too much. I think 48 is the right size. Or I don't know if it's the right size actually. How do I... I need to check if the overflow is active. If the overflow is active, then I want the padding to be active. Otherwise, then don't. Unless there's another way. Because it works. It works on my phone when it's 48. Let's see. I have this. For my Tailwind CSS. Is there a way to check if overflow is active to then add more padding? Because there is a way to check if the data is active. I think that's all of what Shatsian is doing, right? It's like data, state open, then you do that. But I'm trying to see, okay, data, if overflow is, alright, so that the height is greater than the client height, which indicates, but okay, let me see. Is there a way to do something like this, but for overflow Y? When you say overflow, what do you mean exactly? So Overflow is like if it goes past the height of the screen, then enable the scroll. So let's say right now, if I do this, right, my screen is no longer, the content is no longer showing, right? So then overflow enables this scroll to show. But the issue right now is that, so it enables it and we see it, but the padding, we want there to be a little bit of padding on the bottom so we could, have some space so create is not so near to the bottom. So if I scroll all the way up, right, I could go all the way up to the top. This is the beginning of the form. I go down, and then right now there's no space right here, so I want to add some padding. We could do that. We did that here. It seems like, I don't know why it's not showing though. Maybe it's showing here but not for that. Data overflow true. Maybe this is it. What is this? Data overflow true. Is this a thing? Data overflow true. Padding bottom, make the padding bottom more. I don't know if this is a thing. I'm just looking at the thing. Okay. I don't think that works. Does that make sense? I mean, it seems like it works. Let me get rid of that. It seems like it works. If I comment this out. No. I think I just didn't refresh my screen. Okay, so I refreshed my screen. Let me add that back in. Refresh it again. No, that does not work. Okay. But it does work if I do... Okay, so for now, I'm just gonna do a hack. I'm just gonna keep it like this, and then I'm just gonna... Whoever's gonna use it in a smaller mode is gonna have to deal with the thing. They're gonna have to deal with this. I guess for now, because this one works on the mobile. Yeah, this works. Okay. And then now I don't have to do it for any of the other ones, hopefully. Refresh. Interesting. It's not working. Oh, I think it's because of that. The full view. Okay. I might have to add more padding there. So I have to fix that. Interesting. Okay then. Let's see. Then I might have to override that one just for that one though. Add link. Oh yeah, that's another thing I needed to fix. All these inputs, when you focus on it, it zooms in. Oh, not all of them. Okay, not all of them. I think you want the save button to be on the bottom of your screen. Yeah, I think trying to optimize for mobile is a little bit challenging at times. And the calendar doesn't work on mobile. The Shatsian calendar I don't think works on mobile. Unless it does, it's just, it needs to, let me see. Let's see. I'm trying to use the calendar, it's not working. If we click on calendar, there has to be a Z of something. Z20. No, there has to be date picker, has to be Z50 or something. Let me see. Refresh. Yeah, it's not working on mobile. That's so interesting. Okay. I think that's a known issue though. And then that's getting cut off. I also have a problem with Shatsian calendar on mobile. Yeah. I was looking at the container queries. Maybe if element is certain height, enable overflow, and right, exactly, and add padding. Yeah, and padding. Yep. You can remove the resize option in the text. Okay, that was from before. Yeah, let's see if we could. I haven't checked if there's any solution for it. Yeah, and I need to fix some of these. Shoot. I need to make sure that all of the inputs for the text input is at least base 16. Because on your mobile it zooms in and you don't want it. I mean, it's annoying. I don't want to zoom in. Let me see. Let's do text base. I think now if I tap it, no, let's refresh. No, it still zooms in. Oh, wait, what's the issue? It's because I'm text small. No. Oh, well, yeah, I was doing text small. I don't know why. Weird. Why is it zooming in and the other ones are not? Okay, it's taking a long time to load. That's not a good sign. Yeah, it's loading. Taking forever. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, yeah, and I need to fix that too. Okay. What was it? It was, okay. If we go to notifications, now if we go to mobile nav, mobile nav is main nav. Is blog or, oh yeah, that's another thing we needed to work on. Move the terms and services into MDX so it's easier to edit. Oh, yep, okay. Excuse me, okay. I'm gonna add notifications to this. So now if I do that, there we go. Okay, that's a bug. Finding bugs. Okay. That's fine. That's fine. What am I doing there that I'm not doing anywhere else? Interesting. Okay. So this is square. Get that. Work items. Component sheets, create. What am I doing here? Title. Yeah, I'm not doing anything different. Here. Hello, have I ever considered justifying your panel so you keep your Explorer? I just learned this and it was mind-blowing. What do you mean by justifying your panel? How do you do that? Which panel? On my VS Code? Right-click terminal. Okay. Panel position. Okay. Justify. And then what do I do? Justify. Oh. Okay, wait, what does that do? Line, justify. It just closes this. So not the terminal. Oh, not the terminal itself. Okay. Are you talking about this? Justify your panel so you keep your Explorer. Yeah. Wait, I don't see the difference though. Wait. Center. Wait. What's happening? What was the difference? Oh shoot. Alright. Justify. Open your Explorer. Oh, okay. Oh, what? Okay, I did not know that's what that was. Okay, cool. Thanks for sharing that. I was like, what is supposed to happen? Okay. Cool. Thanks for sharing that. Did everybody see that? Okay, I didn't know that was possible. Cool, so now I don't have to think. Okay. Oh, I like it. Yeah. I think it's better for streaming too, because then you don't get the thing. Hello, hi. Okay. How? Yeah, game changer. What changed exactly? Oh, so okay, so if we go back, if I do this, it's in the center. So this is here. This is like smaller. You can't really see anything. And then the file explorer extends all the way down. So if you let's see, I can't even show you right now. If you right click and you go to align panel and go to justify, then it expands it. It's like a column span, I guess, right? A short on how to do it. Yeah. I need to make a YouTube short for that. And then shout out Mr. It's Real. Okay, so I'm having an issue right now. What a lifesaver. Yeah. Okay, why is this zooming in? I was shouted to in if your text is not a specific thing, then it's gonna zoom in when it focuses, and we don't want that. So you have to set all your things to the right height. But I don't know why some of them are not. Let's see. Oh wait, no, description. Field. Class name. Text small. What if I do that? It still does it. Oh my god, that's annoying. Awesome. Okay, yes, thank you. Yeah, I don't know why. Does it have to be exactly that then? Is it base? Refresh. Yeah, okay, that fixed it. Weird. So I think I need to change all of them to base, not 14. Okay. That might be the issue. Let's do that for text input. Where are you, text input? Oh, text area. My bad. Text small. And same thing with input. Text base. I learned it immediately and had to share it. Yeah. Cool. Okay. So now if I do that, doesn't zoom in. If I'm done, we're good. Okay, then I could close it. Then let's go to edit. If I click this, doesn't zoom in. Nice. It's just I have that weird thingy. Okay, I need to fix that. Any other cool neat tricks do you have, Mr. It's Real? I'm just testing it on my mobile phone right now. 1, 2, 3. Nice. I just want this to... what's your guys' opinion on this? So this is what one of my forms looks like. I think it makes the most sense for the save to be on the bottom, right? It needs to flex down. I think that makes the most sense. Right? Let's see this. Okay. Okay, that's weird. It does that for that one. So I think that's a weird... Yeah, okay, let's see. I'm gonna write down all the bugs for the inputs. I wrote down all the sheets that I'm using. So I have the work item sheet, I have the resources sheet. Let's see. Right? But when it's in here, I want this to flex down. But if I have the padding, then that's not a good thing. Okay, I have to write some logic or something for that. On mobile sheets too? Yes. Wait, what do you mean on mobile sheets too? Yeah, I'm trying to get the sheets to work on mobile. That's, yeah. Okay. I'll fix one thing at a time. Let's focus on the zooming in because that's annoying. Let's go here. It's specifically this. Oh, do you know why? I think I know why, because that's a custom input that I'm using. So if I go to finances, components, sheets, create, I have an input that I think I customized. Yeah. So I want the text of this to be base. And then what is it using right now? Small, right. So if I get rid of that now, if I thing it, refresh, zoom in, there you go. Okay. It will zoom on that while your input, and when you go out, might not want to zoom out. Right. You can make different way of opening. You can make a different way of opening the sheet. Yes, you can. In ShadCN, if you go to sheet, you have the option to open it up from the top, the right, the left, the bottom. There's also, instead of a sheet, you can use a drawer. That's like one of their new things that they had. Like you could do that. But this one only comes up from the bottom. I think the sheet is more versatile, where you could come up or use any side, left, right, top, bottom. I'm using a hook called the Use Media Query hook, where you can well, you're checking the size, whatever size your screen is, and it accommodates for that. And I'm using this condition within the sheet component to check if I updated the sheet. Let me see. I changed the default setting for the sheet within ShadCN that is used. So I'm checking if it's mobile. If it is, then I'm making it come from the bottom. And if it's not, then I'm making it come from whatever side I have it at. So right now it's right. And then this is where you're changing it within the sheet content. Instead of, you would add a parameter. There's a parameter called side. So if you go here, right here, this one, side. If you can see that. You could ditch the element and use state open, set open. You can, but I think the way that I've implemented it seems the most straightforward. We're trying to use as, let me see, and then in class name do a, open page. Padding bottom, overflow, scroll. You can ditch the element and use stay open, set open. Which element, wait, are you talking about? I mean, it's working right now, so I don't think I'm gonna touch it, but okay. Let me see. Show the button which opens sheet. Show the button which opens sheets. Which opens sheets. Let me see. Wait, you want me to show the ShadCN button that opens sheets? Are you talking about this? This code? No, in my code. Okay, in my code, you said show the button which opens sheets. Okay. This is my button. Where is it? It's right here. So let's see, show sheet. You said you can ditch the element and use open. You can remove sheet trigger. Sheet trigger. Because make a button that looks like it. Sheet trigger on click set open true. Set open true. But wait, why would I want to do that? What benefit does that have? Wait, you have show sheet. Didn't see that. Oh, yeah. Yes, I have show sheet. Okay, cool. Okay. Let's see, where were we? Let's see. Get rid of this. I think it's fine. I'm just fixing some of the zoom in stuff and then the date. Yeah, I gotta fix that. Okay. Okay, so I checked the work items one. That looks fine. That's fine. That's fine. Okay. Work items. Wait, work items. Okay. You can do show sheet and PG. Yeah, so no, I have that padding bottom inside. I have a style for that. Yeah. So I am doing that. Yeah, I have a form content sheet content style. So we are doing that. Give me a second. Okay, I think I'm gonna push that change right now. And if I come across anything, I'll just leave it. Let me see. Oh yeah, I think that was the last thing I wanted to check. Shatsian calendar. Because I think they're using React calendar. Not working in mobile. Day picker pop over. Same, works in Chrome but not in Firefox. Got this. Okay. Any ideas by adding? So this can actually be fixed by adding modal true to the popover, and it doesn't lose initial focus that way. Suggested here. Okay. I guess let's go check that out. What is that? Calendar popover. Where's the popover? So which one are they talking about? You could suggest it here. Okay. Set modal prop to true on root on popover where am I using the popover for the calendar? Let me start this. Oh, okay, it started a new one. Let me. Okay. Calendar exactly. Right, where is this being used? In here, finance item, popover. Where are you? Okay, so it's at the root. So I'm assuming here modal is equal to true. So then now if I that popover, that's in UI. Right. Where is this? Finances? Popover. Yeah. Okay, I got it to work. So I think you just need to add that true to the popover in the modal. And I think we could just do that. Let me see, what does it look like if we do it? I don't know if that changes anything in here. Let's see. Popover modal true. Okay, it seems like it doesn't affect it. So then I think, do we want popover modal true everywhere is the question? That's the question. Because I could just put this in the popover, in the popover, what's it called? UI. Here. Where is popover? Oh, but you can't do that. Okay. You have to do it within the thing. So wherever we're using calendar, wherever we are using the exact word calendar, so we are doing it here, and I'm assuming we have a popover, right? So we're gonna put that there. Where is our popover? We're gonna put that in here. And then also in here. So I think they should be now just report the popover root and give just report Rexport the popover root and give it to the popover modal. It's okay, I already did it. And I think I'm using a bunch of other popovers in other places, so re-export. That's the UI. Just re-export the popover root, give it the modal popover mode. Oh, you're saying just okay. You're just saying this. You're just saying this. Pop over modal. But then what do I do? Yes, I am streaming every day. I've been streaming every day from 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time to 1. I don't know if that timing, if I should change that timing. If people would want to join in the evenings and like do pair programming or something, or for accountability. Make it a component. What I meant, not a big deal. You already made it. Okay. Okay, that's fine. But thank you for the suggestion. Okay. So let me redo it. I think now everything should be okay in mobile. Just waiting for it to load. Okay. So now if I want to, there we go. Very nice. Okay. If I select a date, selects it, but it doesn't close when I select it. I think that was another issue. Someone mentioned. So if I go like this, I select the date, it doesn't close. So let me see. Shatian calendar not closing when date selected. When can open the calendar but not able to close it when the date is selected. How to close the date. Okay, actually if you're using date picker, you can close the calendar when you select the date picker button again anywhere except the calendar. Moreover, you can add the popover close. Because it's inside another popover. You will have to make your own set. Oh dang, it's 9:25. Where are you located? So probably if I did it in the afternoon or in the evening, like around 5 or 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, it would be what time over there? Probably like 4 or 5 in the morning, right? I wonder where you're located. Where in the world is 9:25? Your name is Marin Valenta. Let's see. Handle date select. Popover open calendar. Oh, Croatian. You're Croatian. Awesome. Pass these to the calendar. Okay, what did you say? You said popover open, calendar open, open on open change set calendar open to the calendar prop. Okay. So what this person is doing, right? On select. Okay, gotcha. Alright, what this person did. Thank you very much. You need a separate usage. Right, okay. And I would have to put that the same place where the popover is, right? So wherever I'm using calendar again, I would have, like you said, a separate use state. So he said, is calendar open? We could do something like this. Right. Okay. We do that. Let's do this. Another one goes here. And then last one here. It's good. It's not that many places we're using it. Okay, and then we do the popover, open calendar. Okay. That one there. Where are you? Where are you? Okay, here. We go here, and then we go... Did I miss it? Yeah, I missed it right here. Okay, and then I think one more. Right here. And then lastly, what we want to do, so I already have all my pages open. On select. Okay, and then the on select is where? Oh, it's right here, right? Okay. Where are you? On select. On select. Okay. Now let's see if that is good. So now you need a separate, yeah, okay. Pass these, right. I'll be sure to join again. This stream makes me want to code again. I burned out after 1 year of coding and failing to find a job. Thanks. I'm happy that that it's making you want to code again. Yeah, I'm with you here. I'm looking for a job too. I just in the meantime, like, I'm just gonna code. I'm gonna keep coding. I enjoy it. Coding is fun. You're building stuff and then you see the results on the screen. I did more hardware in my career, and I've been trying to transition more into software. With hardware, I could have gone the hardware route, but then it would have taken a lot longer because you're working on like building chips or whatever, and then it takes a long time for it to take to be developed or be built, and then go on to the next one, and then you're not really having anything. You have something tangible, but after like months. Whereas with software, you just have something there right in front of your screen. It's fun. I don't know. I like it. Okay. Anyway, yes. Side tangent. Let's see if this works now. So if we click on this, we select the date, it closes. Yay. Okay, we got that bug done. Okay, let me see if it works on mobile. And it looks like it does. Thank you. Error. Thank you for your suggestions, and thank you for this. What's it called? This thing. Let me actually subscribe to it. Or I don't know if I want to subscribe to it, but let me bookmark this within GitHub. Okay. I might want to do a video on that, or just some quick videos, because I think people have these issues, but maybe not come across them. Okay. And then I have this weird padding issue. It's getting cut off in at least that. And do you know why I think that is? Probably because, let's see. I'm gonna go to added by. Let's go to create finance. Right. I think there needs to be some sort of padding on the select. Is it the select trigger? Is it the select? It might be the value. No, it's not going to be there. Heading Y1. So it's not there. Background pink 100. Okay, so that's that. But where is the... Okay, interesting. But I don't want a padding. Maybe it's margin? Margin bottom 1, margin bottom 2. No, it's not that. Padding, what about padding bottom 2? It's not that either. Why is this getting cut off? What is this? You can't really see it on... Interesting. Do you know what it might be then? Okay, so I don't think it's this. Maybe it is that. Maybe the height? 14? No, it's not the height. I don't think you could tell. Okay. So I'm getting this. It's getting cut off. It's getting cut off at the avatar. And I don't know why. Where is this? Maybe it's within the actual select. It's a select bug. So let's go inside that. Select trigger height. Maybe you have to change the height to 12. No, that's not it. Padding bottom 2, 3. That's not it. What is it? Select item. Maybe this? No, that didn't do anything. Weird. Okay, I'll probably take a look at that later. But we figured out, I think, most of the other things. Oh, besides the edit change log. The edit change log. I think I'm just gonna, for the edit change log, change log. Where are you at? Oh no, this is general change log, but we have to go inside here. It was, I think we should have the same thing that we are doing. Oh yeah, okay. The update one should be different than the... Is it the edit change log? Am I looking at the... Oh no, it's the work items. It was the work items. Work items, components, sheets, update. Get rid of this, get rid of this. It's this section, right? Okay, so we got this, we got that. Okay, I'm gonna remove that and that because they take up a lot of space. So then if we go to work items, go here, go to update. Okay, so it's that. Let's go to done. It shows that. If we shrink it, okay, we don't want it to do that. So I think actually we could delete this. Delete this and then remove this because we want to just keep that. Shoot. Flex. Okay. Yeah, we'll just keep it like that. And then what does this look like on at least a 393? Yeah, that's fine. Okay. I'll just leave it as that and then we'll leave that. Okay. Let me see. I think that's it. I did that. Added the calendar, fixed that, fixed the mobile nav, and then added that. Okay. So let's first do npm run format. So it's formatting the files, and then let's do npm run lint. Oh, I have a couple things that I'm not using. Resource file, right? Notification icon, right? Okay, so let me fix that. Alright, got rid of that. Plan ID. Plan overview. I'll just leave that because I might need that later. Okay. I think everything should look good. Let me do npm run build. Okay. And then I'm gonna push the code. Let me see if it get add. Whoa. Get commit updated sheets to be responsive on mobile and ran formatter. Oh, we got some changes, right? Let's do a git pull. Maybe we need to do a rebase. Okay, we got some conflicting files. Let's see, just one. And then that is, yes, we added a track event. Okay, upcoming, where are you? Accept current change, okay. Get add, get rebase, continue. Okay. Get status. Alright, get push. Alright. So as that's pushing, then hopefully I think our mobile will be a lot more better for Project Planner AI. I wonder if there's a, so now I think we're good on that end, so could check that off. Update events tab UI to show more than one day. So not just that, but improving the UI, fix resource file card. Right, I needed to fix that. And then also these are like low-hanging fruit, but this one I wanted to spend some time as we wait for, as we are waiting for our project to build. Okay. Let's see. I think I just finished that. Fix issue with project generation. Yup. So what was this? Ability to filter work items on the Kanban. I often know of a particular work item by title in my head, but I want to just get it to it quickly. The Kanban has no way to filter anything. Yep. Okay, so we could do that. Yeah, right now there's no way to filter it. If we go here, we have this. So I think I would just need to figure out how to do this same exact filtering here as well. Okay. Using own project to keep track of the project, that's a wild true there. Wait, wild true. Wait, yes, yeah, we are using our own project to keep track of our project to prove out, you know, if it's actually something that I think if people who are building stuff that they're not actually using on a day-to-day basis, then how do you know like what needs to be improved? So we're using our platform, being like, okay, there's features that would be nice to have, and maybe users would, you know, also think would be nice. We're a user, so then it's like we're trying to improve the product. But what was that? That's a wild true there. Yep, I also use my app on a day-to-day basis. Awesome. You want to share it? What's your app? What app are you working on? Okay. Let's see. What are some... Let's see. Analytics platforms. Okay, so we have analytics. Like there's a lot of these platforms like PostHog, Beam Analytics, all these analytics, but it's like if you're not someone who knows that much about analytics, what are you necessarily looking for, right? What kind of indicators show that, okay, you have something that people are using on a daily basis? Or maybe there's certain features that they're not using. Maybe they're not using the platform at all. We have a lot of people that are signed up, but it seems like there's not a lot of people that are using it on a daily basis. Why? How can we improve that? What additional features can we add to improve usage of the platform? It's amazing to make your own thing and use it. Management dashboard for family workshop. It has your... Oh, no way. That's also... Okay. Admin 123. Oh, I think you shared a link, but I'm not able to see it. Do you have a Twitter, or I don't know if you're a part of our Discord, my Discord? If you could share it there, or you could DM me on Twitter. I think maybe that's the last thing I could do, is check it out before add the dots. Okay. Yeah, let me know where you're sending it to me so I could check it out. Let me see. I'll just wait for... Okay. So, as we're doing that, let's see. This is still building. Okay. I'll close this for now. Did you send it to me on Twitter? Cool. Okay. Awesome. Okay. .com. Let's check out your site. Assad. Okay. And he said the password user is admin and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay. I already like it already. Okay. Ooh, look at this. Welcome back. Administrator alpha. Okay. Cool. You gave me access to administrator. Awesome. Thank you. Dashboard. Okay. Worksheets. And you said this is for my family's workshop. That's the preview ENB. Okay. Your family's workshop. What kind of workshop did they have? Nice. Okay. Enter details for the new log. We got that. Cool. We got the start time and the end time. Nice. Select worker. Cool. Payment. Awesome. Remarks. Absent. Create. Awesome. Print. So what is this printing? You could print this. Nice. Blacksmith. It's been deployed for 5 months. Oh, 5 years. Well, hey, I had a question. How are you getting this to work? Because we wanted to do something similar for ours to get like the finances and stuff, but are you just using like a PDF.js or something? I wish Shad CN would give us a time picker. Oh, do they not have time pickers at the moment? They only have date picker. Ah, I gotcha. That's what I was gonna be like. Look at the date picker could use some improvement. It's a little bit different than the Shad CN one. Doesn't Radix have a date picker? I mean a time picker? Radix UI. Maybe because they don't have a time picker. Time. No, it doesn't seem like it. Maybe it's open source. Oh, is it? Okay. Okay, then I'll go check it out. Let's see. We got bills. We got checks. Users, payees, settings. Nice. Log out. Cool. System, light. Really great job. Oh, you also have it in... Is this Arabic? What language is this? Tasjil al-da... What? Yeah, I think it's Arabic, right? The source code is there. You can see the printing. I had to reinforce the white theme though. What do you mean reinforce the white theme? Oh, shoot. Oh, that's good. That's smart. You're good. Okay, yeah, because you read Arabic from left to right. Oh. What's this? Okay, this is the theme. If I want to switch back to English. Okay. Let's check you out. Let's see. And you got this is your personal website portfolio. What do you have? Nice, this is you. Oh, you're studying computer systems engineering? Awesome. Wow, look at your portfolio. I'm very impressed. I like it. Okay. Awesome. I'm gonna give you a follow. And then where's your GitHub? Here you go. There you go. Okay. Arab American University. And this is your... Which one? The Manager 2.0? Nice. I'm assuming it's this one, right? For printing. Footer is a hover card, by the way. Reinforce white theme. I mean, because... What are you doing here? Steam profile. Okay, awesome. Oh, thanks for sharing your dashboard. Okay. Let's see. Okay, I think now it's deployed. So if you go check out, if we refresh this, and then we check this out, if I check this out in production now, it should be good. We go here, we go here. If we go to... Oh, let's try this. Nice. Very nice. Okay. So it seems like it works. Okay. Add finance, select date. Very nice. Okay. The only thing that's bugging me is like the button, but it's fine. It's good enough. Okay. That's the BE. I don't know why Vercel keeps adding the link of it. It's a monorepo. Cool. Okay. Awesome. Okay, guys, I think I might end it early today. We're able to get, I think the main thing that I want to get done, I think I need to look more into, I'm going to spend some more time looking into how to improve the UI for our events next. So right here, I want to improve this. But yeah, if you haven't already, feel free to check out Project Planner AI. I mean, I'll leave it in the description. I'll leave it in the chat. It's a way to manage all your projects in one place. You could test it out. What's it called? We have a free plan, but you could only manage one project at the moment, and then the premium plan, I think you could only manage up to 10. We should fix that wording. But yeah, I mean, it's the goal here was try to finish our side projects finally by having all of it in one place, and just maintaining it. So yeah. Okay, so that's gonna be it for this live stream. Thanks for joining. Join tomorrow. And yeah, okay, I'll see you guys. Have a good rest of